Are you suffering from extreme fatigue and exhaustion? What about frequent constipation, indigestion, and gases? Can't find an effective way to relieve joint pain so you can move without pain or fatigue? Tell me about concentration and memory strength. If you are suffering from all these problems and you don't know what to do or what is the right solution, then you must watch this video until the end because it contains many treasures. Before we start, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a magical recipe for a drink that contains 3 ingredients readily available to all of us. It's extremely beneficial and will change your life for the better. You'll feel great relief and achieve the wonderful results you've been hoping for. Before we get to know this amazing recipe and its ingredients, let me tell you what happened with my 55-year-old friend when we met by chance. She told me that she was suffering from extreme fatigue, constant exhaustion, indigestion, high blood pressure, and difficulty walking due to joint pain. She tried this drink when I told her son about it, and she swore to me that this amazing drink let her feel a great relief in a period that didn't exceed 2 months. Not only that, this drink makes you hate drinking other sugar-sweetened beverages, and this greatly helped in regulating blood sugar levels. But I wasn't surprised by this good news that my friend told me, because I had personal experience with this drink when I was suffering from a severe cold. After using it, I felt a noticeable improvement and recovered in a short time. Now we will reveal the benefits of each of the 3 components of this recipe and know about the wonderful effect of each one on your general health so that you can apply it and be convinced, as I personally did. First, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a real treasure due to its many benefits for the body. It is more effective than many popular diabetes medications, but without side effects. It reduces insulin resistance by 5 to 10% because it contains active compounds such as coumarin, catechin, and terpenes, which contribute to increasing the body's sensitivity to insulin, thus regulating blood sugar to normal levels. Cinnamon can also treat obesity due to the presence of substances such as cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid, which are considered the most powerful burners of belly fat and prevent the formation of visceral fat, which causes fatty liver disease and also leads to weight gain. Drink cinnamon if you want to maintain a healthy heart. Studies have proven that eugenol found in cinnamon reduces harmful cholesterol and triglycerides in the body, thus protecting against heart diseases and atherosclerosis. Cinnamon plays an effective role in stimulating blood circulation and its delivery to the brain, preventing damage to brain's tissues and cells, thus protecting against Alzheimer's and diseases of aging. This is due to its abundance of antioxidants such as polyphenols and glutathione, which get rid of free radicals that cause general inflammation in the body. Also, the study confirmed that cinnamon helps increase the secretion of bile juice, as well as increasing the activity of digestive enzymes such as protease, amylase, and lipase, thus improving the digestion process, reducing gases, relieving stomach pain, and treating constipation, especially after eating main meals. Second, ginger. Ginger is the second ingredient in our wonderful recipe. It can work miracles in your body where it contains gingerol that prevents oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, especially arthritis. Furthermore, ginger reduces abdominal pain during menstruation and dysmenorrhea because it treats muscle contractions during the menstrual period. It also reduces nausea and vomiting in the first months for pregnant women, as well as individuals after surgery and chemotherapy. Furthermore, researchers have indicated that ginger has anti-cancer activity, especially ovarian and prostate cancer, and is an antibacterial and antifungal agent that fights harmful bacteria in the intestines and stomach germs. It also protects teeth from decay, strengthens the immune system, enhances concentration ability and memory, and is very useful in treating colds and respiratory infections based on personal experience. Ginger works to dilate blood vessels and lower high blood pressure, thus reducing arterial blockages and protecting against various heart diseases. Ginger also has the ability to improve blood sugar levels, where a study conducted on a group of diabetics confirmed that ginger was able to reduce cumulative blood sugar levels by 10 to 12% after consuming 2 grams of ginger daily for 3 months. Third, lemon. Finally, lemon, the third ingredient in our wonderful recipe, is rich in important and active compounds such as ericositrin and hesperidin flavanase, which inhibit oxidative stress and stimulate blood circulation, thus reducing the risk of heart attacks. The body's immune system needs lemon because it contains limonene and nomulin, biologically active compounds that fight various cancers, such as lung and esophageal cancers, as well as bladder and prostate cancers. Citric acid and potassium are the main components of lemon, as they prevent the formation of calcium oxalate stones in the kidneys and urinary tract. Lemon also helps regulate the acidity of the blood entering the kidneys, making it easier for the kidneys to process and efficiently purify the blood from toxins. The citric acid in lemon also works in a harmonious and highly efficient manner to promote healthy metabolism and burn excess fat, which causes obesity. My friends, if each ingredient in this drink has all those benefits, then you can imagine the extent of the health benefits you will get if you mix the 3 ingredients together. The benefits will certainly double, and the positive impact on your health will be achieved in a short time. Preparation and use. The method of preparing the drink is easy and simple. We prepare 2 cups of water and put a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and half a teaspoon of ground ginger as well. Then stir well and let it boil for 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Squeeze half a lemon over the mixture as it becomes warm. To enhance the taste, you can add half a teaspoon of honey if you like. Drink a cup of this recipe every day in the evening, at least an hour before bedtime for a month. After that, you can reduce the dose to a cup every other day, and you will notice a significant difference compared to before. Using this drink to reap its benefits is excellent, but that doesn't justify discontinuing the medications you're taking for certain reasons without consulting your doctor. Also, be careful not to consume large doses of ginger if you're taking blood thinning or blood pressure medications. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.